brothers, we are here today because we have to fight to win the reform this country needs. This is our year. What do we want? When do we want it? Now.
And this is the Bill Press Show, brought to you by AFSCME, the largest public employee and healthcare workers union in the entire United States of America. AFSCME, they make America happen. What's up with getting healthcare done?
We started over the weekend with ads on all the networks and talk shows about nurses talking about healthcare, and we're going into the districts of these people who give the appearance that they don't want health care.
President McAtee, we count on you to give them hell, continue to give them hell, and we know you will. Thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Hello, Gerald.
Hello, Stephanie.
Good morning, sir. Thanks so much for taking time for us.
Oh, my pleasure, please.
Tell us what you're trying to do to combat these people sent by right-wing groups just to disrupt, many times with just complete outright lies about healthcare reform.
We're going to launch what we call Highway to Healthcare Reform. We're going to get ourselves a RV, travel through key states to mobilize the public to contact their members of Congress to demand reform that guarantees quality, affordable health care for all.
Gerald, thank you so much for taking time for us, and thanks for fighting the good fight.
He's great.
He's awesome.
I want him at every town hall.
Gerald McAtee, international president of the 1.6 million member AFSCME, joins us here on the Ed Schultz Show. What did Senator Ted Kennedy mean to AFSCME?
He meant for 1.6 million members of AFSCME, just about everything. He would want us to fight on. Healthcare reform was a string that went through his entire career. We've got to fight, Ed. We've got to fight in his memory and for his memory to do all we can to realize his goal, our goal, your goal of healthcare reform in the United States.
Mr. McAtee, you have the microphone and you have the camera on the Ed Show. I want to help you out as much and all I can.
Yesterday, the Highway to Healthcare bus made a stop at the Fayetteville Square. The American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees sponsored the bus. Those who stopped by were able to email their representatives with their opinion on healthcare.
This is KNWA Action 3 News, Fox 42 News.
This is 1011 News, KTV Channel 7,
4029 News, News 8 at noon,
News 13's Daybreak,
Fox 59 Morning News, 6 News at 7.
And our big story at 7, both sides of the healthcare debate come to central Indiana.
This does not create any death squads, it does not unplug grandma, and it does not cost billions of dollars for the government.
Residents in our area will get the chance to talk with local lawmakers about health insurance reform when the Highway to Healthcare tour rolls in Monday. An RV decked out in a rock and roll themed mobile action center will be making a pit stop. From using laptop computers to cell phones and postcards, participants will be encouraged to contact their members of Congress.
We're on the road to health care for workers and families. We're driving to a better America. We're going over, under, through, and around any roadblocks in our way. AFSCME members have had over 100,000 contacts with Congress. Made visits, calls, sent emails, and letters. It's up to us, to make it happen.
If you ever had to see a sick child turned away because they have no health care coverage.
If you ever had to see a mother's face when she's told no.
We can't help you. If you ever had to see someone fighting for her life, fight her insurance company for treatment.
If you ever had to see a family go into bankruptcy
just to pay for their care.
If you ever had to see a sick patient fight for insurance,
then you'd see to it
that Congress creates real health care reform.
Now.
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 AFSCME members urge Congress to support President Obama and pass H.R. 3200 now.
Throughout the nation this weekend, nurses took on the issue of health care reform. Some were making house calls in Portland to encourage people to call or write their congressional delegation so that they will support a health care reform bill. The nurses say too many parents and patients avoid going to the doctor because their insurance company won't cover the treatment they need.
That's the only way to encourage people to actually get care, is if they don't have to worry how much it's going to cost them at the end.
Today, a group of nurses from California were in the capital city going door to door asking Arkansans to support national health reform. The event was sponsored by the American Federation of State, County, Municipal Employees.
A group of nurses from around the country came to our area to spread their message, going door to door in Fargo, promoting change in the system that they say allows insurance companies to come between providers and their patients. They're also pushing for more access to affordable health care. This event was sponsored by the American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees. Similar events are being held in 8 other states.
Are we ready to take on the insurance companies and all the big corporations that put profits before people? Are you ready?